The business of fixing sinkholes for us is not just about fixing sinkhole homes. This is about protecting a piece of the American dream that people have worked so hard to have. And so every home that we go to, that's the attitude we have. It's not just about repairing your home, it's about protecting you.
I'm not only a businesswoman, but I'm also a wife and mother, and I know what it means to protect and care for your home and for your family. So when making the decision to pick a foundation company, it's important for us to know that you put faith in our company.
The company was started as a sinkhole repair company, and what we do is we stabilize homes that are settling or cracking from sinkholes.
We could walk out from our laundry room into our garage, and we had a crack wide enough there that we could see the house next door. And then the next problem was the water come in the wall and went in underneath our hardwood floor. That was kind of the deciding factor.
There's several different ways that we repair homes. One of them is where we put the underpins under your home, the underpinning where we put the heavy-duty structural steel, the brackets, and the pipe that we manufacture at our facility in Brooksville. And we actually install that under your home, which keeps your home stable and will never move again. There's also a process where we pump compaction grout into the ground, which stabilizes the deeper soils that are raveling and maybe holes or voids that can open underground. And unfortunately, compaction grouting by itself often fails, leaving the homeowner with even worse problems than they had when they started.
The neighbor had a sinkhole, and they had a company come in and repair it, and they grouted it. It actually made it worse. It broke their home in half and pretty much destroyed it. Then I started checking, and it broke our house, and I called the sinkhole guy because of his reputation. I knew he was the only one that could repair it.
What makes our company different and sets us apart from our competitors is that we don't just come in and grout your home. I don't believe that grouting by itself is an effective way to fix a sinkhole home. You're only dealing with the deep soils, you're not dealing with the foundation of your home, which in my opinion is the most important part to stabilize your home from further moving. We come in and grout your home, and we put the underpins in the ground, and we do it for free because we manufacture and install our own product, and we're able to pass that savings on to you, and therefore giving you the best of both repairs. So when you're done, your home's deep soils are stabilized and the foundation is securely sitting on heavy structural steel piles. And it is my guarantee to you as a homeowner that that home will never sink, settle, shift, move again. And in 10 years of repairing and underpinning sinkhole homes, we have never had one fail that we've ever had to go back to that have been securely and properly and permanently underpinned.
My house now is better than it was before I bought it. I have a lifetime warranty, and it's probably safer than any house in this neighborhood.
I have a construction background. I more or less, as they did it, I knew what they were doing. And they had an engineer here who was calling the shots even as they did it. So it's very interesting. I think it's a great idea, and it like reverses the leverage on it, and it did a good job. I was really impressed with it.
When we come out to work on your home, it's an actual state of Florida licensed certified contractor that's on site monitoring, overseeing, and making sure your job is being done correctly. Things happen and decisions need to be made in a moment's notice. And to have somebody out there with that experience and those credentials, we would never cut that corner because that is very crucial. That's one of the things that we pride ourselves in, is that we put key people, we cut no corners, and we spare no expense to make sure that your home and your American dream that you've worked so hard to have is being fixed properly and monitored and overseen by the right people. It's not just about fixing the sinkhole. That's important and that's what we do, but it's about giving them peace of mind and really changing their life to where they know that their home that they've worked so hard to have is not going to fall into a sinkhole and that it's secure.
We'll go before the house does.
The sinkhole guy, that's the man I want.